Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like sunny to rainy video transition on CapCut PC. So just have like a sunny video. You don't need to add anything else. You could adjust the like contrast a little bit, well, the saturation I guess, to just make it more vibrant, but I think I'm just going to leave it like that. Then you're going to select nature and you're going to find like the rainy one, like this one, and you're going to add that on top. And you can also add in the, where is that? The lightning one as well. You can either add that one or this one, the lightning crack, or just the lightning. And it's going to add some filters on it, so make sure you put it at 100 later. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually put it at 0, like a lot of them at 0. Or this is actually an easier way to do that. Copy and paste your video like so. Select everything except for the first video. Right click, create compound clip. You're going to go to video. You're going to put the opacity at 0 first. And then like right about here, I'm going to put it at 0. And then right about here, I'm going to put the opacity at 100. So it's going to gradually add those effects on top of it, and it creates this like from sunny to like a rainy situation. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!